to Vegas Vixen in the Kitchen Quarantine Edition. Today we are going to be making instant noodles, but we're going to transform it and make it look like restaurant quality. So I went to the Asian market and there was 0 noodles left in the instant noodle aisle, but I was able to find this in the very back because I like climbed up and found this. Never had this brand before, but I think it's some type of Korean noodles and it's seafood flavor, so we'll see how that goes. And then I'll go over the toppings that I'm going to use in my at-home ramen. So I have 1 mushroom that I'm going to slice up. So I cut those fairly in the middle, not too thin, not too thick. And this is a cremini mushrooms or baby portobellos. And I'm gonna set that aside because I'm going to char them. I also have some Spam that I cut into thick sized matchsticks. I have some green, I can just go like this so it's better. I have some green onion, some sliced julienne peppers, blanched spinach, and I soft boil an egg that I peeled horribly, but it will still look good. So now we're gonna go over to the stove. So I have the pan nice and hot, and I'm not gonna put any oil or anything, and this is me giving color and cooking the mushrooms. So I'm just gonna lay them flat. Just scoop these over so we can brown or Spam as well. So we let that go. I'm going to separate the Spam so it's easier to turn over. So we're just looking for a nice color. I also have some water boiling, and I just filled the pot up. It's about 1/4 full. And it depends on how much broth you like. If you want it more brothy, more water. If you want it less brothy and you like more noodle, you can use less water. And we're gonna wanna flip and color each side. Once our water comes to a boil, we're gonna add our noodles and our seasoning. Now we're gonna flip over the mushrooms, and I'll show you guys the color that you're looking for. See that nice color? And then our water is boiling, so we're gonna add in our noodles. And we're gonna put our noodles in first. I like to dump everything in. All right, now we add our sauces. And we're just gonna let it cook until the noodles are soft. Meanwhile, I'm gonna cut my soft-boiled egg in half. They weren't peeled perfectly, but they were cooked perfectly. So I'm just gonna save that for our topping. Oh yeah, it's not cooked yet. Unless you like it like al dente. But I like it on the softer side. There's no chopsticks at this Airbnb, which is really funny because the theme of this place is like Japanese. So we got all of our noodles in. We're gonna dump some of our broth in there. And I have a lot of broth left, but we can just have that later. So I'm just gonna do it in corners. So I'm gonna start with our mushrooms. So I'm using 4 and I'm just layering them. I'm gonna put them on one side, and then I'm gonna do the spinach, let's say this side, and then I'm going to have some of the sliced peppers. So I'm gonna do the orange ones first, and I'm just gonna show you the finished product because it's really hard to show you while I'm doing it. I'm gonna scoop the mushrooms in a little bit more, I think. And then our Spam. We're gonna do 1 of our soft-boiled eggs. And then I'm gonna do a whopping little thing of green onion smack dab in the middle. Transforming good old packaged noodle into restaurant style looking ramen. All right, so let's try it. I don't even want to mess it up, it's so pretty. There's no chopstick in this house. Mmm. That is so delicious. And with all of this, it just looks so elevated. Feels like you're at the ramen shop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, let me know what you think, subscribe, and share on your social media. See you next time.